In a pro body shop, your compound choice affects time, money, and your reputation. So why are technicians with 30 years of 3M loyalty now making a switch? They cite better cleanup and no fillers, on top of a dramatic price difference. This isn't brand preference, it's a fundamental difference. Petroleum versus water-based chemistry. We'll dissect cutting power, workflow, system, and total cost to see which compound earns its place. Let's start with raw cutting power. 3M's EXAC compound is engineered to remove aggressive 1,000 to 1,200 grit sand marks. Farecla's G360 system is about speed, designed to eliminate P2000 grit scratches fast, potentially letting you skip finer sanding steps. Beyond the cut, 3M's Perfect It 1. Finishing material is formulated to compound aggressively, but finish down like a polish. So, 3M has the deep cut and a hybrid finish. Farecla has efficiency. But which is actually faster from start to final cleanup? 3M's EX system addresses workflow directly with extended work time. It's designed to stay wet longer on the panel, reducing product sling. Farecla counters with a different user benefit: exceptionally low dusting. This means less airborne contamination and an easier buff off. To understand these differences, we look at the chemistry. 3M compounds are typically petroleum-based, allowing for that extended work time. Farecla, on the other hand, is largely water-based. This formulation changes the workflow, giving technicians greater control over the cut and finish. We have two different chemical approaches. But how does this translate into the dust and cleanup time that kills a shop's profitability? Let's talk about the mess. 3M compounds, especially when paired with an aggressive wool pad, are known to produce significant dust. This is where Farecla's formulation shines. The G360 compound is noted for having no fillers, which gives it an incredibly easy wipe-off. So, the answer is clear. The water-based formulation gives Farecla a significant edge in overall cleanliness and speed of cleanup. That water-based formula has another modern advantage: safety. Farecla is actively offering very low VOC products for shop compliance. But a great result isn't just from the bottle. For 3M, peak performance often means pairing their compounds with their Trizact abrasives. The pad choice is also critical. 3M recommends their foam pads over wool with the EX compound, specifically to reduce swirl marks on dark colors. The system continues to the final step. 3M's ultrafine machine polish is purpose-built to eliminate any remaining swirls from compounding. We have 3M's engineered system versus Farecla's more flexible approach. Now, let's connect this to the most important factor: the total job cost. The sticker price difference is staggering. Farecla G3 Premium is significantly more budget-friendly, representing a major drop in consumable costs. The true value goes beyond the bottle price. Remember the easy cleanup? The time saved by not cleaning dust is billable time you get back. And Farecla's efficiency on 2,000 peso scratches. Potentially skipping a sanding step saves time and the cost of finer abrasives, amplifying the value. Now the switch makes sense. Long-time 3M users aren't just chasing a cheaper product, they're choosing a significantly more profitable process. So, when is 3M the right choice? It excels as a complete engineered system for shops demanding predictable results on very deep scratches. And when is Farecla the champion? For the majority of daily body shop work, it offers an unbeatable combination of performance and value. The verdict is that they serve different business priorities. 3M is the specialist's tool, while Farecla is the workhorse for the efficiency-focused shop. For years, 3M has been the default. But Farecla is a top-tier competitor that forces a serious question for any shop owner about brand premiums. This is our analysis, but the best insights come from the real world. Which system do you use in your shop, and why? Drop it in the comments below. One final, critical tip. Both systems remove defects, but leave the paint unprotected. Always finish with a quality wax or sealant to protect your work. For more in-depth product battles and shop efficiency tips, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Visuals. A side-by-side summary table showing key differences. cut, dust, cleanup, cost per litre, and the best use case for each. Visuals. Links to other relevant videos, such as Best Polishing Pads of 2024 or How to Choose the Right Sealant for Your Shop.